Hello everyone. Did you know that from lush green guava orchards, we can create not only crisp, sweet guava fruits, but also delicious and nutritious glasses of guava juice? In today's video, we'll take you on a journey to uncover the secrets of organic guava farming, how to care for these trees to produce high-quality fruit, and some simple tips to turn them into a fantastic health-boosting drink. Guavas are not just a fruit, they tell a story of care and creativity. Let's embark on this exciting journey together right now. The guava cultivation process begins with selecting the healthiest guava saplings, typically 15 to 20 centimeters tall with vibrant roots. These saplings are carefully planted in loose, well-aerated soil to ensure they take root firmly. The first 30 days are a golden period, during which each sapling is meticulously cared for to prepare it for robust growth in the next phase. Once the saplings are sturdy enough, they are transferred to large fields. Here, each tree is planted 1 to 1.5 meters apart, a spacing that not only optimizes access to sunlight and airflow, but also ensures each tree has sufficient space and nutrients for comprehensive growth. 1 hectare can accommodate up to 4,000 trees, delivering exceptional yields while maintaining high quality. This strategic spacing also plays a crucial role in minimizing pests and diseases, as well as enhancing the efficiency of irrigation and fertilization systems. After planting, the guava trees are nurtured using a modern drip irrigation system, which delivers water directly to the roots with precision and efficiency. Water from nearby pumps is carefully filtered to remove impurities, ensuring no harmful substances reach the trees. When necessary, nutrients are mixed into the irrigation water, promoting healthy growth and maximizing yield. As guava trees grow, regular maintenance is key to ensuring strong and proper development. One of the most critical tasks is pruning, especially when the trees are around 4 months old. At this stage, unnecessary branches are removed, allowing the tree to focus its nutrients on fruit production rather than excessive foliage growth. Statistics show that proper pruning techniques can increase fruit yield by up to 20 to 30%, while also improving the size and quality of each guava. Moreover, removing excess branches improves air circulation around the tree, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. It also allows sunlight to penetrate deeper into the canopy, fostering comprehensive growth and development. Did you know that bees play an incredibly important role in pollinating guava flowers? Each flower relies on bees to transfer pollen from one bloom to another. This process not only helps the flowers set fruit, but also enhances the quality and yield of guavas. Imagine this: a single orchard that attracts a lot of bees can boost guava production by 15 to 20%. So while the bees enjoy the sweet nectar from the flowers, they're also helping deliver delicious guavas to us. A perfect partnership between nature and humanity, wouldn't you agree? When guava fruits reach a certain size, farmers begin wrapping each fruit in special nylon or paper bags. This is not just a simple task, but a crucial step to ensure the fruit develops under optimal conditions. The protective bags shield the guavas from insects, birds, and harsh sunlight, while minimizing damage from heavy rains. Particularly important during the rainy season, when high humidity can lead to mold or fruit spoilage. Additionally, the bags help maintain consistent moisture levels around the fruit, preventing dehydration and ensuring the guavas grow to their ideal size with an attractive appearance. Another key benefit is that the wrapping reduces exposure to pesticides and fertilizers, making the fruit safer for consumers. Thanks to this meticulous care, every guava harvested has a uniform shape, smooth skin, and naturally sweet flavor, meeting the highest market standards. Did you know how much time it takes for a guava flower to bloom and ripen into a juicy fruit? And why harvesting guavas requires such meticulous care? When the guava reaches its ideal sweetness, usually measured by a Brix index of 8 to 12, farmers begin the harvesting process. This is a crucial step to ensure the quality of the guava fruit. From the time the flower blooms to when the fruit is ready for harvest, typically takes about 3 to 4 months, depending on the variety and weather conditions. Guavas are harvested entirely by hand, one by one, to ensure the branches and fruit are not damaged. Farmers use specialized pruning shears to cut the stems, keeping the fruit intact. An experienced farmer can harvest between 100 to 150 kilograms of guavas per day, while a team of farmers working together can harvest up to 10 tons of guavas daily at a large farm. The best time for harvesting is early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when cooler temperatures help preserve the freshness and natural flavor of the fruit. After being picked, each guava is gently placed into foam-lined or soft plastic trays to minimize bruising during transportation. The guavas are then carefully arranged in trays and wrapped with an additional layer of shock-absorbing foam to protect them from impact. This process ensures that each fruit maintains its perfect shape and consistent quality. A large-scale farm can handle up to 10 tons of guavas per day, all carried out with meticulous attention to detail. So, what happens to these fresh and delicious guavas after they leave the farm? The guavas don't just stop at the family table. They are quickly transported to processing plants where a new journey begins, transforming the fruit into delicious, flavorful juice, unlocking a new chapter of value from the farm. Fresh guavas from the orchard are transported to the processing plant within 24 hours to begin the production process. Everything is carried out using modern technology to preserve the fruit's natural flavor and nutritional value. First, the guavas undergo a thorough inspection. Only fruits that meet the standards for freshness, size, and color are selected. They are then washed using a high-pressure water system to completely remove dirt and bacteria. At the sorting station, workers carefully inspect each guava to ensure they meet the highest standards. Only the freshest guavas with perfect size and ripeness are selected for processing. Those that don't meet the criteria are set aside for other purposes. It's all about quality and making sure every guava delivers the best flavor and value. At the packaging and processing area, guavas are sorted into two groups: The visually appealing fruits with uniform size and no blemishes are selected for packaging, labeled for quality, and distributed to supermarkets, markets, or exported. Meanwhile, guavas that don't meet appearance standards but remain fresh and ripe are sent to the juice production line. Here, the guavas are washed, pureed, filtered, pasteurized, and packaged into delicious juice products. The leftover pulp and seeds are repurposed as animal feed or organic fertilizer, maximizing the value of each guava while ensuring both economic efficiency and quality. Guavas are pureed using specialized grinders and then transferred to a pressing system to extract the juice. On average, 1 ton of guavas can yield approximately 600 to 700 liters of pure juice, preserving its natural flavor. The juice is pasteurized at a temperature of 85 to 95 degrees Celsius for a few seconds to eliminate bacteria without compromising essential nutrients. This is a crucial step to ensure the product's safety and extend its freshness. The juice is then transferred to an automated bottling line, capable of processing up to 10,000 bottles per hour, ensuring speed and precision. Each bottle is sealed in a sterile environment to guarantee the highest quality. That is the journey of guavas, from the orchard to the juice bottle. A professional and meticulous process that delivers high-quality products, preserving the natural flavor for every family to enjoy. Guavas are not only a delicious fruit, but also highly nutritious. With a vitamin C content 4 times higher than oranges, guava juice is an excellent choice for boosting the immune system, promoting healthy skin, and supporting digestion. Not to mention, guavas also contain natural antioxidants that help protect the body from free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A glass of guava juice a day, not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. Guavas, a wonderful gift from nature, not just tasty, but packed with countless health benefits. What do you love most about this amazing fruit? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to like, share, and follow to support us. Let's spread the natural goodness of guavas to every home,